Today I'm going to show you how I made this super easy DIY vase using just some wood dowels and an old cylindrical snack box. So let's get started. First I make some pencil markings on the dowels to a desired length. I marked mine about half an inch more than the height of the box just because I wanted to be on the safer side. As I do not have a handsaw, I'm cutting the dowels with the help of scissors and then sanding the cut ends with sandpaper. This gives these ends just a good smooth finish. Once I'm done sanding down all the cut ends, I hot glue these dowels to the entire surface of this cylindrical snack box. If you're left with some space in the ends where you can't exactly fit a whole dowel, try spacing out the dowels evenly, just as I do now. Next, I'm using some regular alcohol ink to stain the wood. You could also use wood stain or just some diluted acrylic paint for this purpose. Finally, I'm going to try some color blocking to give this vase some visual interest. For that, I first use some washi tape to tape off the lower 1/4 of the vase. This will also help me to get a straight line with the paint. Now that is done, I'm going to use some impasto paint in black by Prima Marketing. I diluted this with some water to help with the flow of the paint. I give around 2 coats of this paint to get a good finish. Now once I'm satisfied with the look of the paint, I remove the washi tape and done. Here is the final look of the vase. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video here. See you soon.